What's up, guys? I'm Matt. Today I'm going to be giving you a small little review on these, the off-white Vulc lows. Let's get into it. Now, when Virgil first showed these off on social media, I really love the look. The one thing I've never really liked about the Nike collaboration is the fact that it's a Nike shoe. And to me, I just don't personally like Nikes all that much. I'm gonna get shot in the comments now. But yeah, when he showed these off, I was super excited. It was just basically like the off-white look on almost like a Vans shoe. I mean, that literally is it. So I've worn these a decent bit, and just some things I'd like to note. So the first thing that we can note is that right along shoelace holes, it's all suede. It is a canvas upper all the way around. The little arrow for the off-white, it's almost like this canvasy material. Canvas, almost like a, not felt material. It's got C2018 right here. On the other side, we have this big red orangey look to it. I really like this. It almost just makes a shoe look super duper deconstructed. I can understand why people wouldn't like that there, but overall I really like it. Off right here, black all the way in front, and then right here you can kind of tell it is raised up a bit, which just gives the shoe like a 3D look. I know it's in real life and it's already 3D, but almost just makes it look super textured and just something completely different. And then of course, wouldn't be an off-white shoe without it saying shoelaces. Now on the bottom, it almost has this boost cement-like material on the bottom. It's not boost, it's not super comfortable. It's more of like a regular Vans shoe. Inside we also have the off-white logo. So the one big thing about the shoe to me was I was just wondering where it was made, because it wasn't very clear online and I couldn't really find anybody talking about it, because when I first saw these, like $230 for an off-white shoe is just insane. Like, there's no way they can be making it in Italy. And lo and behold, I was correct. On the inside of the shoe right here, it has your shoe size with the quotes, and it also has made in Indonesia. And I think everybody's wondering, Matt, are these worth the $230? And if you really want that off-white Vans look, I'd say yeah, I'd say it's totally worth it. Now I picked these up off StockX. Came in this box, minty color to it right here. Now inside of the box, it had a few different things. So as you can see, about these from StockX, also not a sponsored post by StockX. And in the box it had this off-white CO Virgil Abloh dust bag. It's meh quality, it's nothing great. I've had Rick Owens ones, Represent ones I find are a little bit better. This one almost just feels like a t-shirty, not a t-shirt. It just has this material that you just feel like you'd make for $1 and they just threw it in there. Not the biggest fan of this dust bag, but it's a dust bag. This is what you're gonna do with it. And also in the box, it had these like do not remove sole protector. I really don't know what these are for. If you know what they're for, let me know in the comments. And yeah, nothing really excited in the box. It does have this SB on the front. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, I think the biggest question that everybody has is, are these worth it? Are these worth the $230 price point, or a little bit more if you're buying it resale? Now for the pair that I have, I just looked them up on StockX and they're almost $100 more now, which is insane. I bought these when they restocked a few months ago, and I've just really enjoyed the shoe overall. But I almost have to compare them to the Nike collaboration. I think if you're looking at a shoe like the off-white Converse, it's almost hard to see the bargain in that. Now resale on that one's going for around $300. Resale on these now are closer to $400. And I think it's good to note that, given that you can get a little bit higher quality shoe with this one for just a little bit more. Now mind you, there's a low top and a high top version of these ones as well. But I just think that if you're going to be spending that type of money on an off-white shoe, you might as well get a mainline shoe. I think that Virgil was extremely smart with coming out with a shoe like this, because it almost bridged the gap between the Nike collaboration and his mainline by putting something that's not quite as good quality as his mainline sneakers, but putting it priced at like $230 retail. Now if everybody gave her that $230 retail, it'd be totally worth it. $400, if you're into this, and if you're into off-white, you're gonna love these. If you're into Vans and want that Vans off-white look and don't want the deconstructed Vans that they came out with, I would say totally go grab these. They fit true to size from my experience, whatever your true European size is. Mine is a 46, US 13. I believe on StockX, if you're buying it, you have to put like 12.5, but it tells you in the description of the StockX what your European size would be. If you don't know what your European size is, I would go check out AllSaints and go look at the shoes on there, see what the equivalent is to US. It's usually the most accurate. Don't trust your Adidas boxes or Nike boxes. It'll say that you're like a size bigger in European and you're gonna end up with the wrong shoe. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like the new Off-White shoes? Do you hate them? Do you just want Off-White to go away? If you have any experience with the Vulc lows, please leave it in the comment below. I'll be reading everything and maybe you can help out someone who's looking to grab a pair. But as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.